Need to save something on your screen instantly. Let me show you how to take a screenshot in seconds. Welcome to TechMate Simple. In this video, I will teach you the easiest way to capture your screen. Step 1. On Windows, press print screen to copy your whole screen. There is a print screen button, PRTSC. There's a button on your keyboard. Press it. It will capture the whole screen. The next thing to do is to paste it whether in Word or Paint. In this case, let's use Word, Microsoft Word. So you open your Microsoft Word, click on blank document, then here you use Ctrl V to paste. Then you can see it captures the whole screen. Now the next step I want to show us, assuming you want to capture the active part of this screen now, what you need to do is you press Alt print screen. Alt print screen. Now it has captured the active part. In this case, this is the active part on this screen. Then let's paste it and let's see where is the active part. Ctrl V, same thing. So you can see, search the web or type a URL. That's the active part on the screen. You want to print certain side of this system, then you don't need to print the whole screen since you have targets. What you need to do is you use a sniping tool. Now there are two ways of getting the sniping tools. The first is you come here, you search for sniping tools. Come to the search here, type sniping. Yes, you see sniping tool. Either you use this, you click new. So you take the cursor to this the place or the area you want to screenshot. You click on the area and drag the mouse to cover the extent of the page you want to screenshot. Assuming this is just the area I want to screenshot, then I will drop it. It has already captured the area I wanted, and this is it here. So if I like, it has already pasted here, or if I like, I can still go back to I can still take it to Word, or I can save this one directly, whichever way you want. And that's one of the ways of getting the sniping tool. The second way, the shortcut of getting the sniping tools, is you press Window, Shift and S. So you press Window, Shift, S. The sniping tools is up here. Then you take the cursor to the point you want to screenshot. You click it and drag the mouse over the area you want to cover. Assuming this is where I want to cover, then you drop it. Then you open, it's already open here. Then you can go to your Word document and paste it there. So you paste it here, Ctrl V. You can see here, this is awesome. So these are the way you can screenshot the document, whatever document. Just use the same method. Open the document where you want to screenshot. Use all this method I just used now to screenshot. If it's just one part you need, use sniping tool. If you want to screenshot the whole screen, you can use print screen. And that is how to screenshot like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech hacks. See you in the next one. Peace.